Hello, this is Stan Dubin, and welcome to the Hiring Tips Podcast. We got a short one today, and the name is, If I Called Your Boss Right Now, What Would He Tell Me? So, it's an interesting situation. Fred is applying for a job with you. You want to know how Fred performed at his previous job or jobs, so you contact his previous employer or employers. And what do you find out? Well, some employers are more than willing to tell you about Fred, how productive he was, how he got along with other employees, etc. And other employers will tell you next to nothing, fearing some kind of legal action if they say the wrong thing. But we're not necessarily calling anyone right now. We simply want to know what Fred believes his previous employer would say. So when you ask Fred the question, he may think that you fully intend to call his previous boss. So Fred may give you a good idea of just what his previous boss may say. Then again, Fred's idea of how he performed at his previous job may differ greatly from how his employer viewed his performance. Either way, it can be a good question to ask. When Fred answers, dig to find out more and to find out why his boss felt a particular way about your applicant. Thank you for listening. If you find these hiring tips helpful, would you mind going over to iTunes and leaving a review of any kind for us? Just head over to iTunes and in the search box, just put hiring tips and you'll find us right away. Thank you and much appreciated. The Hiring Tips is brought to you by the Employee Testing Center. We have an employee testing service that will help you hire better staff. It's very accurate, easy to understand, and delightfully affordable. Watch our 3-minute video at getbetterstaff.com. That's getbetterstaff.com. Our podcast does not represent legal advice. Employment law can vary from state to state. So please consult an attorney familiar with the law that applies to the area where your business is located for any legal questions specific to your company. Thanks for listening.